So the topic of this video is what is the main purpose of having a vision board. Most people think having a vision board makes no sense. Why don't I straight away go for the goals that I want to achieve? So I'm going to cover 3 different points that will actually make sense on why you need to have a vision board. Main purpose of vision board is going to help you achieve your goals. So if you're actually struggling to achieve your goals, having a vision board is the first step, because when you talk about goal setting, the most common objection or most common problem that I've heard from many people is they are unable to set goals, or they are unable to write down exactly what they want. So if you don't know what you want, maybe you are browsing around social media, maybe you are taking a look at other people on Instagram or on YouTube or on any platform, and you are liking the lifestyle that they're living. So maybe you want those kind of things into your life. So if you actually have a vision board, you will now know, instead of getting stuck down the rabbit hole of actually blaming social media, you will actually take a look at, okay, this is exactly what I want, and this is exactly what I want to set in my goals. So in order for your goals to actually manifest in reality, you have a that's why they ask you to actually go and visualize. So some people, they find it hard to even visualize. So what you can do is, you can go ahead and, in order to achieve your goals, go ahead and most people who struggle with goals, achieving goals, you have to set up a vision board, because a vision board is going to be a visual aid. If you can see it in the visual form, you will actually be able to manifest it in reality. So that's the most foundational element that you need to take in consideration. And the second point that I have for you is, it helps you solidify your vision, your focus and your mindset. What it does is, essentially, it brings about clarity. If you are not sure of your goals, vision, dreams and desires, a vision board is going to help you solidify that, because you will pick out pictures that is going to help you add to your vision board, that's going to actually mean something to you. It's going to be intentional. So having a vision board is going to help you solidify your vision, because if you're going out and about simply living life just like majority of people, you will be like majority of people and you'll achieve nothing. So having a vision board is going to help you bring about clarity on what exactly you want in your life to come true. And the third point that I have for you is, it will help you achieve your dreams and goals faster, even if they seem impossible to you right now. So it will help you achieve your goal. It's going to be a visual aid for you. It's going to help you solidify your vision for your life, because it's going to bring about clarity. And the third point that I have for you is going to help you achieve your dreams faster, even if the goal seems impossible to you. So having a vision board around those things that helps you manifest the dreams, desires of around health, wealth, relationships, happiness, travel, experience and whatnot, you will be able to build a vision board that actually works. Check out the course that I have for you. I've created a vision board mini course. It's really affordable, and I've covered different areas of life that you it's a must have to add into your vision board life. So it's going to cover in 7 different modules, and it's going to have 5 different bonuses for you. So if you think you need a vision board, check out the course. It's really affordable, and once if you get in, I'll be able to help you feature your completed vision board. Most people struggle with actually coming up with a vision board or even creating a vision board. They struggle to even set intentions, right? They even struggle to manifest the dreams and desires that they want, because they don't create a vision board that speaks clearly on things that they want. So definitely check out the course, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below and I'll be able to help you with that. Do not be like most people who do not go about achieving their goals and dreams, because time is fleeting, and within a few months this year will be gone, and you will be like, why did I achieve anything in life? So the first step to creating a life that you dream and desire is to have a vision board that speaks around the things that you want to manifest, things that you want to achieve. It can be economic goals, personal goals, financial goals. It can be things that you want to experience, a business that you want to build, a lifestyle that you want to live, a relationship that you want. So make sure to go and check out the course, because in that I've covered in depth for a beginner on how to create a vision board that actually works. It's going to help you a lot. It's really valuable. It's going to be much more valuable than the video that I've created here. So definitely go check it out. I hope you are able to create a vision board. If you've created a vision board, I want you to share it with the audience by dropping a comment below and sharing a link. Most people can come and check out your vision board, and there's going to be a community where a lot of people are going to come and see this is exactly what you want to achieve. If I cannot take a look at a vision board and tell you exactly what is that you want, maybe you need to simplify it. So definitely check out the course. That's really affordable for you. And if you're among the first 500, you will definitely get the chance for me to feature your designed vision board on the page, and thousands of other people who are going to come and sign up into the course are going to benefit from taking a look at. Maybe it can lead to opportunities and relationships, or it can lead to social networking and any opportunity that you might not even think of. It's going to be a place where things are going to skyrocket for you. So definitely check out this course. And this is how you create a vision board. This is the main purpose of vision board. It will help you gain clarity for the things that you want to achieve in your life. It will help you if you're struggling with your goals. It's going to be a really cool visual aid, and it's going to help you achieve your dreams and goals faster. Anything that is really out of your league, so that may seem impossible to you, maybe it may seem even impossible to your friends or to your parents or your family or anybody, you're going to be able to achieve your vision board goals by actually setting up a vision board. So go definitely check out. I have created other videos on vision board. It may address other questions that you may have. So have a great day. Like this video, comment and subscribe. See you next time.